everyone, welcome back to another video. Anna here. Today I'm going to share with you my experience after trying the simple moisturizing facial wash and the simple soothing facial toner after more than 2 months. I highlighted these two products in my last nighttime exfoliating skincare routine. If you haven't watched, I'm going to leave it in the icon above and the description box below. Do check it out to have a better idea of what these products can do aside what I'm about to talk about in today's video. So first I'm going to be saying is that these two containers here are my second purchases, and I bought it mainly because of my exfoliating routine. Now, just like the name suggests, the content of this product is very simple, just like the name suggests. Like using the mildest facial wash you can ever find on the market on your skin. If you are experiencing skin sensitivity, you're experiencing some acne, or you just want something to use to wake up your senses in the morning instead of using normal bar soap, this is something that you can use. And one amazing thing about this is that it doesn't contain soap, so it's a soap-free facial wash. So somebody be asking, but it's a soap, it lathers, so why is this soap free? The simplest way I can explain it, it doesn't have that soap-based chemical in it that's going to make it a soapy facial wash. The soap-based chemicals can be harsh on your face, can dry out your skin, and a lot of things we do not want to have or we do not want to experience when we are using a soap that is supposed to be used for those with sensitive skin. I hope that's the best I can explain it. If you have any other explanation for what soap-free is, please leave it in the comment section. Somebody would definitely learn from it one day. First of all, these two products are very affordable. I'm making this video from Ghana, and you can get this for less than 80 cedis per container. It depends on where you're buying it from. That is the face wash and the soothing toner. They have a moisturizing facial lotion, which per my observation is about 5 or 10 cedis higher than the normal price for the facial wash and the soothing toner. But you can get each of these ones, the facial wash and then the moisturizing toner the soothing facial toner and then the moisturizing facial wash for less than 80 cedis per bottle. So let's talk about the moisturizing facial wash. First things first is that it doesn't contain any fragrance free. So if you're experiencing sensitive skin, or like I said, you just want something to wake up your sense and not necessarily want anything with very harsh fragrance, this is something that you're really going to enjoy using. It doesn't have any fragrance, but it still doesn't smell bad. Again, let's move to the consistency. It has this gel-like consistency, if you can see, which makes it very easy and soft and comfy to lather all over your face. And one amazing thing I love about the moisturizing wash is that it contains glycerin, and glycerin acts as a humectant. It's actually very amazing for your skin. Now, this facial wash is not a brightening wash. If you're somebody that's looking for something to brighten up your skin, this is not going to do it. This is just something to just cleanse and remove dirt from your skin. You can balance this with other brightening products, or balance this with an doing your exfoliating routine like I do. These two particular products, I only use them when I'm doing chemical exfoliation on my face at night, because I feel like it has a good consistency or potency that can balance the other chemical that I'm using to exfoliate my face. I really love this product so much when it comes to skincare exfoliation, but if you're looking for something that's going to brighten up, no, it doesn't do that. It's not a product that is made to work on your complexion. It's just made to take care of your skin. So if you're on a tight budget and you want a facial wash aside your normal gentle bar soap, aside your normal soap, this is something that you can get for yourself, and you're going to really so with love this brand, they have the facial wash, they have the toner, and they have the moisturizer. I'm currently not using the moisturizer because I already have a moisturizer for my face that I'm using. It's the 5 ceramides lotion. I'm going to insert a picture if I remember, but yeah, I'm already having a facial moisturizer, and I don't want to change it, so I didn't buy the facial moisturizer of the Simple brand. So this is the facial toner, and what I can say about the facial toner is that it's like potent water. I said this in my last video where I used it. It's basically like potent water. I cannot really tell exactly, it doesn't do so much. I love this toner because after I'm done with chemical exfoliation, when I use this on my face, it just soothes my skin. My skin feels normal, my skin feels good, my skin feels like a breath of fresh air has been breathed on my face. So yeah, it's basically like potent skin, it's basically like potent water, and like it says on the packaging, it is kind to the skin, and I haven't had any reaction after using this particular facial wash. Even sometimes my 6-year-old uses this facial wash to wash his face, and it doesn't worry him at all. The Simple brand of products, they both contain vitamin B5 and vitamin E with some pro amino acids, and it's good for those with sensitive skin, or those with acne prone skin, or those with oily skin. It is basically good for every skin type, including dry skin. If you want to start on the skincare routine train, if you want to join the skincare routine train, but I want to start using products that are not too harsh on the skin or harsh on your pockets, you can try the Simple range of products, and you are definitely going to love using this. So if you're new on your skincare journey and you want something to try, I'm going to highly recommend using the Simple range of products. Then as time goes on and you want to build up, then you can move to other brands of skincare products, and your skin is not going to react. I noticed that after switching from Simple to other skincare brands, my skin didn't react, and from switching from those other skincare brands back to Simple, my skin did not react at all. So it's actually a very, very good skincare brand that you can try for yourself. So that's basically all I need to say about the Simple range of products. There isn't so much to say, because it is, like the name suggests, very, very simple, and it's very good for all skin types. You can get this in almost every skincare cosmetic shop around you. It's very affordable, and I'll highly recommend that if you want to get it, you should definitely get it. So if you guys enjoyed today's video, you know what to do. Give me a massive thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.